What are they? Okay. Hi, I'm twin, a boy and a girl. See what's your name? You, what's your own name? Baza Baza. Hey! See now, you've made him cry. Sorry now. Sorry, baby. 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 Sorry. Oh, yeah, tell him. Sorry. Tell him. She's laughing at you. Ew. Come and give us breast, oh. Hey, wait, let me give you your own. So that is how you used to stress your. Hey, I can't use water. After I feel the water, hallelujah. We will remove you up. When I was born. That vanilla, you put vanilla for the cake. You he said the marriage is over. And that's it. I won't have money again so that I'm not still here. Sorry. Because she wanted to be a wife, so mad, so bad. Your iron sugar to remove lumps. So this one has a lot of lumps inside it. Every incident that took place here today is right now on the internet. Right as we speak, social media feminist. What is that? What is that? How much they said this? It's nice. There is decoration. See this one. The cake don't mature.
Shoma. Esther. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome. So I'm starting out this vlog by me getting dressed to actually go to the hospital. So I want to take my baby to the hospital today. I don't know which angle is better. I think this one is better. So I want to take my baby to the hospital today. Nothing serious, it's just that I've been noticing that she tilts her head to her left side, like she'll just be playing and then she'll start tilting her head. So I don't know if there's a nerve there that is trying to drag her, or there's something inside her ears that is making her uncomfortable, or she slept wrongly, because these days when she wakes up from the bed, like as she's waking up, she's standing up. As she's waking up, she's standing up, and as she's standing up, she's falling back. As she's standing up, she's falling back to her bed. So maybe, I don't know if she has fallen down and she has slept on that part of her neck. I don't know. I have so many things that I feel is wrong with her, but I don't like to second guess. I don't like to just keep cracking my head. My husband and I have actually cracked our heads a lot as to what could be wrong with her, but we just said, you know what, let's just take her to the hospital. So that is where I am going to right now. I'm wearing this shirt and a palazzo trouser. The baby girl is actually asleep right now, and that's why I'm talking like this. Like, that's why I'm doing this particular video. My eye is so blank. I didn't do anything on my face, just my moisturizer and my lip combo and my hair. Thank God my hair is even done. So I am heading there right now. I'm just going to see the pediatrician and just hope that it is nothing serious, because these children and also I'm intending to tell the pediatrician too that she's not eating. Let me hear what they're going to say, if they're going to prescribe anything, if they're going to prescribe any, I don't know, something. And then also I have to take my TT injection. The last TT I took was when I was maybe 6 months pregnant. I was supposed to take the injection 6 months after I took the last dose, and I think I have surpassed, because my baby is already 6 months and I took the last dose way before I gave birth to her. So I am overdue. So I'm going to also take my teeth injection today, and that's basically it. So let's go. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share this video, and let's go.
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign. We should do tonight again, even in another lifetime.
Is supposed to be happy. Happiness. How are you? How are you? Happiness. Oh, easy now. Oh, see avocado cloth. Oh gosh. Happiness. How long did this girl sleep safe when I went? See yourself. See yourself. Are you happy? Are you happy? Happiness. Say hi, aunties and uncles. I am now fine. I am now fine like a bird. No. Mommy did not make your hair today. You are carrying leftover hair from yesterday because they don't used to make hair every day. We now adults, we used to make our hair once in a while. So I will not be washing your hair every day. I'm making it for you because you don't they cry too much. See myself, since I made this my own miracle knot, I've not even styled this hair. I've not really had leave my phone. I've not really had leave my phone. I've not really had energy. I'm just applying my moisturizer. This is my Estinin moisturizer on my face because I forgot to do that. Today has been such a gloomy day. It has been raining since morning. The time is currently to 5 p.m. and it has been raining since morning. Today is the 9th of July, by the way, so it has been raining here since morning. I don't know if it is like that every other place, but the house is gloomy. I just had to throw on this dress because I want to round up this video because I'm just about to sleep again. The house is dark, so I am lightening up this video with this my torch that you can see here. So without this torch, see what you're going to be getting. But because I just thought of the torch, it's good to be able to think faster. So we went to the hospital. We went to the hospital on Monday, and today is Thursday. I actually forgot. Not like I forgot. I've not really been in the mood to, like, I don't know. These days my mood is just not in vlogging. Like, I feel so tired when it comes to vlogging. But then when we went to the hospital, what I had in mind that was wrong with my baby was actually what the doctor said was wrong with her. So she checked her just to be sure that my baby is not having seizure. You know that seizure in babies can come in diverse forms and ways. So actually it turns out my baby has torticollis. So all we needed to do was just come back home and just reposition the way she sleeps. So I already suspected that what was wrong with her would have something to do with her sleeping position because this girl has been sleeping wrongly these days. Like, she sleeps wrongly. When I say wrongly, I mean wrongly. But I just didn't want to conclude on my own. I wanted somebody, a professional, to just let me know that everything was alright. That Monday we went to the hospital. On Tuesday she became better because that Monday, every time she slept, we made sure we were monitoring her. We were monitoring her. In fact, her father woke up about 5 to 6 times in a night to reposition her, to place her on the opposite side where that particular thing was wrong with her. So it's her left side that is affected. So make sure that we always place her facing the right side so that the nerve that is trying to drive her is going to just correct. And we did that for Monday, and on Tuesday she didn't tilt her head to the left again. So I was very happy because I was kind of worried, even though I knew that nothing was typically wrong with her. I just don't like to see my baby exhibiting some kind of thing that I'm not used to. So that is it. My baby is fine now and I'm so happy. And then I just came here to end this video because if I don't end this video now, I don't know when I'm going to do that. I have been packing this hair, God. I've not really had time to flex my hair. But after this video, actually I want to sleep. The weather is so cold. The weather is so cold. So I don't even know why I took it out. Anyways, this is going to be the end of the video. And bye. And also, if you have a baby, especially an infant that is from 0 to 1 year, especially, please, if there is anything that is wrong with your baby, even though, like, I like it when people take their babies to see a professional. When I was working, there's a female doctor that we had. She's a gynecologist, and then her 9-month-old baby was exhibiting some symptoms that she was not understanding. Even though she had a perfect idea of what was wrong with the baby, she still did not self-prescribe or self-medicate or whatever, self-treat. She took that baby to see a pediatrician. I think that is what every of us should learn how to do, irrespective of the level of knowledge you think you have, irrespective of what ChatGPT is telling you, irrespective of what your uncle that is a doctor or your sister that is a nurse is telling you. Please always make sure you take your child to the hospital to be seen by a pediatrician. It's just not enough for you to call someone, like to call your doctor and say, oh, my baby is doing this, my baby is doing that. When they see the baby, they will better know what they will do to the baby. Do not self-prescribe, do not self-medicate, do not give yourself, especially your child, do not give your child, your infants, medications, or think that, oh, this is wrong with her, let me give her this, or this is wrong with her, let me give her this. Do not. If there is anything you're going to learn from this particular video, I want you to learn. If you've not learned anything from my videos before, I want you to learn now that please do not self-medicate your child. Don't guess what is wrong with, you can guess what is wrong with your child, or when you get to the hospital, allow the professionals there do their work and listen to them. Don't go and buy one thing and give to them. That is my advice to you. So thank you guys for watching this video to this point. I think I'm going to end this video. Not I think, I'm definitely ending this video. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.